somewhere.
Wouldn't that be nice? Yeah.
Right now on the back patio.
Dinner break's about to come up, so
Exactly.
you fry something up, maybe a burger. It is nice out, a little bit more humid than yesterday. The dew point, the number on this little nugget of information is now in the 70s, signaling more humidity. Whenever that's over 60, this one right here, the dew point starts to feel a little more humid. Over 70, you definitely can feel the stickiness out there. 82 right now, an east breeze, 13 miles per hour. That east breeze with the full moon we had today giving us higher than normal tides, so coastal flood advisories in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. There you see that easterly flow, 10 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures in the 80s across the region, 6 o'clock hour. Do have a few clouds out there, but overall mainly clear skies. A cold front in the Panhandle, not going to come here. The parent system is going to move toward the Great Lakes, and that'll pull the front away from us. The front, not a strong one, 40s, 50s, 60s north of it, 80s to the south. We're going south now, 1,000 miles due south of here. Disturbance has a high probability of developing over the next 5 days. It is going to move to the west. The name of this is going to be Rick when it does get named. The GFS for the last several days has been bullish on taking the remnants of Rick, just like Pamela last week, and bending it toward Texas. That being said, though, that's the only forecast model that's doing that. Everybody else is sending this toward the Baja Peninsula Monday, Tuesday of next week. So if for some reason the GFS is onto something that everyone else is not, Monday, Tuesday could get some rain here, but at this point, given what the data is suggesting, I'd say that this is going to stay out in the Pacific. If something changes, we'll obviously update the forecast, but that's what we're seeing right now. Beyond that, we're going to have to go up to the Bering Sea to find a disturbance that's moving in north of the Aleutian Islands. Watch this energy. We're going the cold front hunting forecast graphic now. We're going to trace this from the Bering Sea all the way into the U.S., moving into the Pacific Northwest early next week, and finally moving toward the southeastern U.S. by Thursday. So a long way to go. We're 8 days away from that, but if that comes to fruition, we would get a cold front, not a strong one, highs near 80 degrees next Thursday. So the hunt for cold October continues here. I don't see anything anytime soon. We'll be in the low 80s, 6 o'clock hour. Mid to upper 60s and low 70s tomorrow morning. We'll top out in the upper 80s again, almost exact same type of weather tomorrow as what we observed today. We'll settle in the upper 60s overnight, big bright full moon, some patchy fog possible overnight tomorrow. Mid to upper 80s in the afternoon, and east wind 6 to 12 miles per hour. It will be smooth on the waters given that light wind that we'll have. It'll be east to northeast on area nearshore waters. Smooth on the bays, 77 on the sea surface temperatures. Rain going to be hard to come by, only isolated showers at best into Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. If the remnants of what could be Rick head our way, that rain chance would need to be adjusted on Monday, Tuesday. But right now, looks like monotony in the weather department, at least through the upcoming weekend. Mike, Rudy.
All right, thank you.